Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is my 2000 BMW 328i, and today I'll be showing you how to refresh your K&N oiled air filter. K&N recommends checking your filter regularly and cleaning it as necessary. Personally, I find that cleaning it every 15,000 miles or about once a year works best for me, but that number might vary for you depending on your environment. For this job, I used K&N's Power Clean Air Filter Cleaner and K&N's Aerosol Air Filter Oil. I'll put links in the description. To get the air filter out as easily as possible, we'll start by unclipping and removing the air intake hose from the air box. Next, undo these 3 clamps and pull off the top of the air box far enough to remove the air filter. Make note of which side is facing up. You can see this filter is a little dirty, but it's not that bad from having been 15,000 miles since its last cleaning. We'll start by saturating both sides of the filter with the Power Clean solution in a well-ventilated area. Set an alarm for 10 minutes and let the solution break down the oil and dirt inside the filter. After 10 minutes has passed, gently rinse the filter with warm water in the opposite direction of airflow so the dirt is expelled instead of being forced further into the filter. Allow a few hours for the filter to fully dry before moving on. I usually let it dry overnight to be on the safe side. I've been using and refreshing this same filter since I bought my car about 12 years ago, and I've got to say it looks pretty good after 175,000 miles. It does have a couple of dark spots now that I can't completely remove, so I might consider replacing the filter with a new one next time it's due for cleaning. Once the filter is completely dry, go ahead and spray an even coat of K&N air filter oil to both sides. Make sure not to oversaturate the filter with oil. Wipe off the excess oil and allow it to penetrate for about 30 minutes. Reinstall the filter, making sure it's facing the same way as when you removed it. The top half of the airbox on this car has 2 tabs on the left edge that fit into corresponding slots on the lower half of the airbox. With everything lined up, reattach the 3 airbox clamps. Make sure the air intake hose is seated fully. Secure it in place with its 2 clips, and we're done. That concludes this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and have a great day.